Okay, today we're going to be cooking a Indian chicken bhuna on my wood burning outdoor rocket stove. So the ingredients are 1 chopped onion, some cardamom, some cloves, some cinnamon sticks, fresh bay leaves. If you haven't got fresh bay leaves, use dry, some frozen ginger and some frozen garlic, which we've kind of blended and put in an ice cube trays. Spices, you need 1 tablespoon of turmeric, half a tablespoon of chili, 1 tablespoon of coriander and half a tablespoon of cumin powder, along with a couple of teaspoons of salt for seasoning, 2 tablespoons of oil, and 1 kilo of diced chicken thighs. If you don't like thighs, then you can use chicken breasts. Okay, so put your wok onto the burner and add 2 tablespoons of oil. Okay, now add in your onions. Fry your onions until golden brown. Don't burn it. If you see it's starting to burn, just add a little bit of water just to cool the temperature down a little bit. As you can see, the onions are starting to brown. Keep stirring, and again, just remember, add a little bit of water if need be. As your onions go brown, add in your ginger and garlic. And add a small amount of water. So your onions caramelize. Once your onions have caramelized, add in your bay leaf, your cardamoms, your cinnamon and your cloves. Okay, so after you have kind of cooked your bay leaf, cinnamon, cardamom for a couple of minutes, add in your spices, which is turmeric, chili, cumin and coriander, and your salt. Give a good mix, and as the spices thicken up your paste, add in just a little amount of water. Okay, there you go. Now cook your spices for about 5 minutes. Now, a little tip: the more you cook your spices, the better the flavors get, and try and cook your spices on a low heat. So what you might want to do is take some of your wood out just to reduce your heat, or some people like to put a bit of a brick or something just here, just to reduce the flow of air. Okay, now it's time to add the chicken. And just give it a good stir, making sure everything's all mixed together. And from this period on, you won't need to add any more water, because the stock from the chicken will create your gravy. Smells awesome. I think the neighbors are getting jealous. Okay, what I like to do is put a lid on and cook it for 10 minutes, and we'll come back to see what's going on then. Okay, it's been about 10 minutes. Let's have a look what's going on. Oh, that looks good. Okay, you see what I mean by the chicken releasing all the stock, so you create that lovely gravy. See that? Oh, let's put the camera off the sun. I think it will need just a few more minutes before we add some fresh coriander. Okay, now I'm going to add a good amount of fresh coriander, which we've grown ourselves in the garden as well. In it goes. And give that a stir. And just cook for a few more minutes. And there it is, guys, all ready. Okay, all done. That took what, 15 minutes? Hope you enjoyed that, guys. This is one of my first videos, so let me know how I've done, and hopefully I'll post a few more videos of simple Indian outdoor cooking on rocket stoves. Catch you soon. And that's the final product there, ready to serve. Have it with a bit of rice, naan bread, or a few chapatis. Enjoy it.